For centuries, gold has been the source of much intrigue. The yellow metal has been a symbol of wealth, power, and beauty. The precious metal has fueled empires and ignited exploration. This year, too, the trends show a clear rise in demand. Major central banks and investors are buying large amounts of gold. The precious metal is traditionally bet on as a safe haven asset in times of political and economic uncertainty. So why is there this sudden surge in demand? The top reasons currently are the rising geopolitical risks in West Asia and the war between Russia and Ukraine. The increase in demand has pushed gold to rally to repeated record highs this year. Despite record high prices, there is no let-up in demand. Solid demand over the last few years has driven an increase in production. China has emerged as the undisputed leader, producing 370 metric tons of gold last year. This puts them well ahead of traditional powerhouses like Australia and Russia, who are neck and neck for the second place at around 310 metric tons each. Canada and the United States remain major players, contributing 200 and 170 metric tons respectively. However, several rising stars made their mark in 2023, with Kazakhstan, Mexico, Indonesia, South Africa, and Uzbekistan producing between 130 and 100 metric tons of gold. This diversification in production indicates a more geographically evolving gold market. The demand for gold has gained more traction since 2020 as geopolitical turmoil highlighted volatility in currencies and stocks. Major central banks are leading the charge in buying record amounts of gold to ensure stability. When it comes to gold reserves, the United States reigns supreme, holding a massive 8,133 tons. Germany and Italy follows closely with over 3,300 tons each. France, Russia, and China round out the top six, all boasting reserves exceeding 2,200 tons. There is a gap of almost 1,000 tons between Switzerland and China. India is ninth on the list, with the Reserve Bank of India on an aggressive gold buying spree. The global demand for gold is also experiencing a transformation. China has recently overtaken India as the world's top consumer, with a demand of 959 tons in 2023. The surge is likely fueled by a combination of factors, including cultural affinity for gold, its role in investment portfolios, and a growing middle class. India continues to drive consumption despite not being in the top 10 gold-producing countries. Meanwhile, global gold production is expected to reach 124 million ounces by 2024, reflecting continued industry growth. Interestingly, central banks are playing a major role in driving demand, with record purchases in 2023 alone.